Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn an important topic: how to introduce yourself in English. Many people understand English, but when someone says, "Please introduce yourself," they become nervous. But don't worry, after watching this video, you will learn how to give a simple, confident, and professional self introduction in English. So let's start. Self introduction means talking about yourself. For example, your name, your city, your education, your job, your hobbies, your goals. A good introduction should be simple, clear, confident. You do not need difficult English. If you give a simple introduction, you need to simple English. So I talk about every step how to introduce yourself. So step number 1, greeting. Always start with a greeting. If you introduce yourself in every person in any palace, you can say that good morning, good afternoon, hello everyone, hi friends. Example, good morning everyone. Very simple, you can say. Then step number 2, thank to audience. In, if you go to interview or any public places, in then you can say thank you like us. Example, thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. This sound polite and professional. Then I am talk about your step 3, tell your name. Now tell your name. My name is Kajal Prajapati and I am Kajal. Both are correct. Then you talk about where you are from. Now tell your city or country name. Example, I am from Delhi, India. Very easy. You can say. Step number 5, talk about your education. What is your education? Now talk about your studies. Example, I completed my graduation in commerce. Or you can say, I am studying computer science. Keep it short and simple. Then step number 6, talk about your skills. Now mention your strength or skill in this step. Example, I am hardworking, I am self motivated, I am a quick learner, I have good communication skill, like that. These sentences improve your introduction. And then 7 steps, talk about hobbies. Now tell your hobbies. Example, like that, my hobbies are reading books, watching educational video, practicing English. So simple hobbies are okay. Step 8, talk about your goal. Now talk about your future goal. What do you want to become in future? Example, my goal is to become successful and improve my communication skill. Then step number 9, ending. If you introduce in any situation, your ending is politely, like example, thank you or thank you for listening. This is the sentences used to introduce of ending. Then I am combine everything. Listen carefully. Good morning everyone. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Kajal. I am from Delhi, India. I completed my graduation in commerce. I am hardworking and self-motivated. My hobbies are reading books and practicing English speaking. My goal is to improve my communication skill and build a successful career. Thank you. This is the full introduction. So, now let me give you some important tips how to introduce yourself. Then tip number 1, speak slowly. Do not speak fast. Speak clear because of confidence is more important than speed. So you 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 speak slowly and clear word. Tip number 2, Smile while speaking. A small smile makes you look confident because smile is the best for the any situation. Tip number 3, practice daily. Practice in front of a mirror in every day. You can record your voice and listen, repeat and repeat. Daily practice improve fluency. If you practice daily, you you improve daily and you have a confidence. Then tip number 4, don't fear mistake. Many students stop speaking because of fear. No, you don't fear of mistake. Remember that mistakes are normal. Even fluent speaker make mistake. Then do not stop speaking. They continue practice English and speak loudly and slowly. So step number 5, you you do not fear any situation. You have full confidence and speak confidently and clear word. So guys, I am a full motivated to this video. English speaking is a skill and every skill improves with practice. Do not wait for perfect English. Start speaking today. One sentence every day can change your confidence. So stop thinking and start practicing. Then in today you can introduce yourself in front of mirror and practice 5 to 10 minutes every day and talking about your behavior, and you can improve your your goals. How can be success in your life? So guys, thank you for so much watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. In the next video I am describe how to practice daily in English. So see you in the next video. Thank you.